Hello guys, welcome to the channel, and today we have this system of equation and we're gonna solve using two different methods. Sorry. And then so the second one will be with substitution. Okay, well, to solve for the first method, I'm gonna multiply these equations side by side. Okay, so I'm gonna have then cubic root of x plus cubic root of y, which will multiply cubic root of x squared minus cubic root of xy and plus cubic root of y squared, and then this is going to be 3 times 3, this is 9. So guys, if I multiply this, I'm going to have x plus y. Okay, because this is similar to a cube plus b cube, which is a plus b, which multiplies a squared minus ab plus b squared. The difference is that we have roots in here. So this one here is going to be, this product is going to be x, right? X plus y, and then x plus y is going to be equal to 9. Okay, so well, cool here. So let's say this is 1, and then let me, do you see this one here? Do you see this one here? This one here is what? This one here is actually I can square this one and then take what is left. But let me complete this square. It's gonna be easy. Let's pick the second one, guys. This is cubic root of x squared minus cubic root of xy plus cubic root of y squared. This is equal to 3. So now what do we have here? So this is, if I want to complete this square here, what do I have to do? This is going to be cubic root of x, this is square, plus cubic root of y, this is square. If I want to, this term is this term is this. If I want to complete this square, I have to say this is plus 2, which multiply cubic root of x times cubic root of y, and then I already have this one here, but I've added this one, so I'm gonna take out, okay, y, x, and I have this one here, minus cubic root of xy. Okay, so I don't know why I wrote like this, but it's the same thing, right? So now we have that this is a perfect square, which is cubic root of x plus cubic root of y. Okay, and then this is square. Okay, and then this is square, and then minus what? This one here, which is minus 3 cubic root of xy, and then this is equal to 3. So guys, this one here is our first equation, right? Is this one here. So this is 3. 3 squared is 9. 9 minus 3, which multiply cubic root of xy, and then this is equal to 3. So this one goes here. We're going to have minus 3 cubic root of xy equals minus 6. If I divide by negative 2, I'm going to have cubic root of xy equals to, this is going to be, sorry, I actually should divide not by 2 but negative 3. So this is going to be 2. Okay, cube, we're going to have xy is equals to 8. If xy is equal to 8, then we're going to have here that x plus y is equals to 9, as we had here above here, and then xy now is 8. Okay, so guys, this is 8. Now I'm going to multiply here by negative x, so I'm going to have minus x squared minus xy, and then this is equals 9x, and then this is xy equals 8, and then this goes with this. We're gonna have minus x squared equals 9x plus 8. So this is gonna be x squared minus 9x plus 8 equals 0. So now here this is gonna be what? this is gonna be x minus minus 1, x squared minus x minus 8x plus 8 equals 0. So this is x minus 1 and minus 8, x minus 1 equals 0. We have this factor x minus 1, which multiplies x minus 8 equals 0. And then we have x1 is equal, sorry, we have then x, actually x, only x minus 1 equals 0, and x minus 8 equals 0. So x1 is going to be equals to 1, and x2 is going to be equals to 8. So now xy is equals 8, right? So if x is 1, y1 is equal 8, right? And if x is 2, then y2 is going to be sorry, if x2 is 8, so then y2 is equal 1. Okay, so this is our first solution. Okay guys, so we're gonna have then x y is gonna be equal to, we have then 1 and 8, and then we have 8 and 1. Okay, so the second method is the substitution method we're going to use. Let's say then we have that cubic root of x plus cubic root of y is equal to 3, and cubic root of x squared minus cubic root of xy plus cubic root of y squared, this is equals to 3 as well. So now we have to make a substitution. So what I'm gonna say is that x is equal to a to the power of 3 and y is equal to b to the power of 3. Okay, so replacing here, we're gonna have then we're gonna have here, we're gonna have 8 to the 3, we're gonna have here 8 to the 3 plus cubic root b to the 3. This is 3. Okay, this is 3 then, and then here we're gonna have the same thing. We're gonna have here cubic root of 8 square to the 3, right? And then here minus cubic root of xy a b to the power of 3, and then plus cubic root of b squared to the power of 3, and then this is equal 3. So now we're gonna have then our system is gonna be this goes with this and this with this. We're gonna have a plus b is equal 3, and then we have here this goes with this goes with this, and then this goes with this. We're gonna have then a squared minus ab plus b squared, this is gonna be 3. So guys, I have a plus b is equal to 3. I have to complete this square in the second one, in the second equation. So we're gonna have here guys that a plus b here, okay, square minus 2, not minus 2, minus 3ab here, minus 3ab is gonna be equal to 3. Okay, and here we have that a plus b is equal to 3. So actually replacing this value here, we're gonna have 9 squared minus 3ab is equal to 3. So minus 3ab is going to be equals, this is 3 squared, which is 9, comes here minus 6. I'm going to divide by minus 3. I'm going to have ab is equal to 2. Okay, so now we have this simple equation, which is a plus b is equals to 3 and ab is equal to 2. I multiply by minus a. So here I'm going to have minus a squared minus ab equals to minus 3a, and then here ab is going to be equals to 2. So this is going to be then here minus a squared equals minus 3a plus 2. So this is then a squared minus 3a, sorry, a squared minus 3a plus 2, and then this is 0. So now I have that a this is going to be a squared minus a minus 2a plus 2 equals 0. So this is going to be a minus 1, which then we have here minus 2, a minus 1. We have a common factor, so we have a minus 1 which multiply a minus 2 equals 0. So a minus 1 is 0 and a minus 2 is 0. It means that a1 is 1, okay, and a2 is equals 2. So a times b is 2, right? ab is equal to ab is equal to a is 1, b1 is 2, and if a is 2, then if a is 2, then b is equals to b2 is equal to 1. So now we say that x is equal to 8 to the power of 3. So x is equal to a cubed. So x1 is going to be a1, which is 1, and x2 is going to be equals to the value of a2 square, not to the power of 3, which is 2 to the power of 3, and x2 is going to be 8, the same as we found before, and b and y is equal to b to the power of 3, actually b to the power of 3. So y1 is going to be 8 here, and y2 is going to be 1. So same solution, guys, as we had here above. Thank you very much for watching the video. Please subscribe to the channel. See you next video. Bye bye.